Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, and today we're working on an end table. Now, this end table is a kind of a mid-century modern style table, so it has four components. It has a bottom. This is already clamped in because it's the first piece we're going to work on. It has a top, which is exactly the same as the bottom. It's going to have a plate here. Now, this metal plate is here just for weight. This is going to go on the underneath side of the bottom right here. And we're going to cut out a pocket for that and lay that inside of it. And then it's going to have this, and this is going to be our arm or our vertical section. This is going to tie the bottom to the top. Now, during the videos, you're going to see step by step how we made it and how it comes together. I hope you enjoy these videos. We're going to go ahead and start on step one, which is this bottom piece. So we're going to clear this guy out of the way. We'll put it over here, and let's go to work. With the pocket done for the back side of our bottom, let's make sure our weighted plate is going to fit. Looks great, a little bit oversized, so I have somewhere for the epoxy to go, and a little bit deeper so it's not resting on the metal plate, but instead on the ellipse around it. All right, we've got all the pieces cut on the Maverick CNC machine. They've been sanded. I did that off screen because it's kind of boring. Now we're ready to go ahead and do a dry fit and then assembly. So we had three parts. We had our bottom, our kind of a vertical piece or kind of the angled leg, and then our top piece. The other thing that we did is we cut out some plugs, and those are going to go in the top piece right here to hide our screws. Let's go ahead and give you a dry fit look so you know what it's going to look like. First thing we do is take this guy and put it in the bottom. Now, one of the things that we did find was that we were worried about the weight on this bottom piece. And so you'll see here that we glued in, epoxied in this metal plate that we talked about yesterday, giving it just a little bit more stability. Now with this piece in like that, then our top piece is going to go on right here, and we get a pretty cool mid-century modern end table. Now let's go ahead and glue it up, get it all put together. We're going to speed this one up because I don't want to waste your time. All right, it's all together. We've got to wait for the glue to dry so I can cut these off and do a little bit extra sanding, and she's ready to be displayed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. If you have any questions, give us a quick phone call. It's 801-491-0010. If you're interested in the plans for this, drop me an email. It's John, John, @legacywoodworking.com. Thank you so much. Be nice to each other, and we'll see you guys in the next one.